So we're making a new track locator. The other one was real thin and old. I didn't trust that thing no more. So Josh is welding new ends on this one. Alright, so we're welding that up. Now I got the car on the ground. Alright, we got the car sitting under the tires and rims now. I just got to go back in and tighten everything up. I ordered new brackets. We put the brackets on the shocks. And we got the car to sit where we want it in the back. Now we got to go do something with the front to drop it down. Like a gasser right now, but we don't want it sitting like that. I'm going to slam the front down back to where it was with my car. Alright. So the back's all done. We're just painting the cross member, the track locator is getting painted now. But all that's done. The spacers worked out real good. We dropped put new brackets on this, so we lowered the car a little more. Got the cross member all back up in there, shock mount. Got the brakes all done, and we're gonna finish painting all these other bars. But got the collectors. These are Burns stainless reverse. We call it a reverse trumpet. So big ass long headers, all stainless. All pieces. So now we just tighten these up, put these all on. I'm going to drop the car down and tighten up the header to the heads, and then that part's done. I got to run the brake line from the master cylinder once I put that in, and run the master cylinder line back to the back brakes. And then we're good with that. Now you got to go back in here and tighten all the headers back up. Alright. Probably going to take the valve cover off real quick so I can get my hands down in there. And then I'm going to mount the master cylinder back in place. The front brakes are already run. Line lock's already done. I just plug this off here, so I'm going to undo that, run the brake line to the back. Bleed the brakes, then we got brakes. Alright, so we'll keep moving on with this project here. Got the headers all tightened up, that's all done. What we're doing now is we need the car to sit down lower. So years ago when I had the other car built, actually it was, yeah, when I had the other one, when we were doing the other one, I had these springs made up. They're really, really long, and they would compress down, and the car would sit nice and low. Now, on this car, for some reason, it still doesn't sit low where we want it, so I'm going to cut a couple springs off. I made this tool that goes in, and it just sucks the spring up into the shock tower, and then you could just do whatever you want. So now the arm's all the way down, and I'm going to cut 2 coils off it back here, so that it'll just sit right back down into that same pocket, and I don't have to take the spring completely out, because these suck to take out. But we're going to do that now, and then we'll drop the car down and see how it sits.
Got it?
Yep.
There you go. Okay. Let it down, and then we'll
Let it down on there. Now we're going to go all the way down nice and easy. I'm going to do it with by hand rubber.
Okay, let it down. You don't want to stand in front of it.
Man, I'll tell you what. Remember when I told you I smashed my finger?
Yeah, I remember that.
That was, that was on one of these.
Yeah, it was on Mike's car, remember?
On Mike's? Yeah,
Yeah.
It was on Mike's.
Yeah.
We were doing this, all of a sudden the thing like
Sliced his finger right open.
Okay, let me jack this up now so I can bring it next to it. Where's the jack?
Jackson, yeah. Alright, we'll get the jack up to it now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, now you gotta, put the tire onto it and.
Well, now we can see how, because before it was down here like that. So now I can see how high it sits without it jacking it up.
True.
Yep. See now?
Till it picks it up. Yep.
Yep. All right. Cool. I think that'll be enough.
2 of them.
Yeah, I think it'll be enough.
Oh, we'll cut the other side off and then we'll
Well,
put the shock back in it.
Back in now. Because now the spring will be all. Let's see. Let me let it down nice and slow. See what it does. If we could let it down, then we can let it down.
Well, it's not gonna come out though.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
You'll be the first to know.
Yeah. I don't think we should.
That's good.
Don't walk in front of it though.
No. It ain't going anywhere. It ain't going anywhere. All right.
We'll put the shock in it though.
What I'm thinking of doing is just stick a bar down inside it so it can't.
Stick the pry bar in it.
Stick a bar on it.
Do the other side same way. Maybe not yet, but.
Still got a lot of pressure on it.
Now what?
Ring, answer the phone. Okay.
Look down slow.
Nice.
All the bolts.
It's alright. Get the jack, right? Get it close again like the other side.
Oh, right there. Right there. Look at that.
And actually, it's gotta go
Well,
down a little bit. Go down here. Yeah, like that.
you lift that way out first, and then.
Get it.
Oh, it's gotta go past the spring, so. It's gotta go past the spring, so before, or else it's gonna hit it. So.
This has to come all the way over here.
Let it out first.
I gotta get the pry bar. All right. We'll let it down and see where we stand. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Perfect. Nice. That sits nice and flat now. No coil bind. Of course, it's good. Good to go. Once we put all the rest of the weight in it, it should drop down about another inch all the way around. And then we're done. All right. I'm gonna make the brake line up for the back of the Falcon too now. So we're gonna put this on. I bought a whole roll. We're just gonna run it all one piece. I'm gonna flare this end and flare the other end when it goes in the car. All right, track locator's all done, painted, put on. The rear is all set, ready to go. So Josh is gonna just paint it. He's gonna go and scuff everything down and repaint everything. Clean it all up, but the brakes are all done. I'm running the brake lines right now. I got this one. Just gotta get hooked up to here and then hook up the front one. Gotta go get a flaring tool because my flaring tool is messed up. I don't like the way it's making the flares. That thing's about 50 years old, so I'm gonna go get a new one. All right, catch you in a bit. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next time you see it, we'll probably be doing body work on it.